This summer I was growing bitter gourd vines, and you can see they grew on top of this fence and they produced a lot of bitter gourds. But at some point I started noticing that there were no more flowers coming. That means the vines were at the end of their lives. As the vines started to dry up, I decided that I will leave some of the bitter gourds on the vine and save some seeds. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let me show you what I did. This is the beginning of fall, so I have left some of the bitter gourds on the vine so that they mature and develop seeds, and I will collect seeds from them for the next season. So I'm waiting for all of them to turn orange like this, and then I'll pick them. So I left some bitter gourds on the vine. They were green earlier, and now they are turning orange. You can see here, this is completely orange. This is completely turning brown. And let me pick this, and let me pick this also. There are still some green ones here. And there is another one here, which is turning orange. I can pick this one too. So I have 3 oranges in my hand, and let's see how we can get seeds from it. So this is like almost drying up. So if I open it, I have these brown seeds which are almost completely dry. So this is perfect. I don't have to do anything. I will just leave this indoors and in shade, and after some time I can just put it away. Now this one is still orange, but it is not dry. But if you look at this, so there is no seed here, but here I have a couple of seeds. So there is a red gel around the seeds. Normally it is white, but because this is like overripe, and then if you remove that gel, you get this brown seed. So I'll have to wash these, and then again I'll dry them up in shade indoors, and I'll have some seeds. So these 3 seeds are good too. And let's open this one. So again it has these red seeds. It has many seeds. That's good. Yeah, so it has these 6 seeds. So I'll do the same thing. You remove this gel, the red gel from it, and it is slippery so it is hard to get it, and you get the seed. So I'll open up all these and I'll get the seeds, and I already opened a few. These are there, and these were the ones which are completely dry. So I'll wash them up and let them dry. And also when you buy bitter gourds from the store, and sometimes when you cut it open while cooking, if it has brown seeds like this which are hard, then you can save them too. If they are soft and whitish, then probably they are not at the right stage. They are not mature enough. So I opened up those seeds, and 2 of them are whitish. So my guess is that these are not mature enough. This definitely is not, because it's really tiny, it's really thin and soft. This one may be, but I doubt it. These are good. These brown ones are really good. So I washed those seeds and I let them dry indoors in shade, and now they are completely dry. You can hear the sounds also. So 4 of the seeds were white, and I don't think these are viable, and we can test it next spring when we actually sow them. But other than that, we are good on these seeds. I will now save them in a small Ziploc bag and label it, and we are good for the next season. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.